5 eco-friendly ideas you can use when spring cleaning. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. If you are postponing spring cleaning till forever, perhaps all you need is a little motivation. After all, ensuring that your home environment is clean and fresh is important amidst the virus pandemic. It is only through effective cleaning that you can guarantee your health and that of everyone in your family. You need to think outside the box, and one way to tackle sanitation is to turn to green cleaning solutions. This reduces the chemical pollutants that would otherwise be present in your home during the time you execute your cleaning routine. So, without further ado, here are a few possible green cleaning solutions you should implement for their amazing benefits. Number 1. Naturally cleaning mold. Mold and mildew is a common issue in the bathroom, which is a room that constantly needs to deal with moisture. Because the problem with mold and mildew is severe, you may feel the urge to bust out a serious spray or some other harsh chemical. Resist that urge, at least until you try out the vinegar. The acidic compounds found within this liquid can easily dislodge stubborn spots of mold and mildew. Simply apply vinegar on the affected area and leave it there for an hour before scrubbing away. You have to be careful about applying it on grout since it can eat away at the material. What you can do if that area is affected is to mix equal amounts of baking soda and water into a paste and scrub with a toothbrush. Number 2. Repurpose old dust rags for the cleaning tasks. If you are into the habit of wasting paper towels constantly, you can switch to washable and reusable cloth squares out of repurposed materials. For example, cloth diapers are great as a dust rag. You can also utilize old t-shirts cut into squares. And as far as Swiffers are concerned, you can use an old towel or a washcloth for this same purpose. In doing so, you are essentially preventing some items from going to the landfill, which is very important. Number 3. Try aromatherapy with potpourri. Cut it with the air fresheners. Most of them are full of chemicals you wouldn't want anywhere near you. What you can do instead is switch to stovetop potpourri instead. This is a delightful way of freshening your room, and it involves apples, cinnamon sticks, cloves, citrus fruit, and other such pleasantly scented foodstuffs. All you need to do is cut the material into large pieces and add to water along with some of your favorite spices. Simmer that on the stove and you will soon enough find that it releases a pleasant aroma all around your home. Number 4. Try out vinegar for all-purpose cleaning tasks. Vinegar is undoubtedly a real champion in the cleaning world since it is quite versatile and possesses true qualities. It can, in fact, replace many of the expensive household products you currently use. For example, it does a good job as a window cleaner, which you can also use on various glass surfaces around your home. By mixing equal parts vinegar and water, you get a nice all-purpose spray, which you can use to clean various surfaces in your home, quite effectively at that.